guys, welcome to Arshith's vlog. Today I am going to unbox nothing a headphones, and it's actually one of the AirPods competitor, and it has really good things, and it's really cheap than other earphones, but it has really great mix. So let's unbox it. So just here's a red dot. I need to open it, just pull this off, and then there we go. Here's the headphones. This case is really big, so yes, I think this is the USB Type-C charging cable. USB Type-C charging cable. Let's put it back. And I think this is the ear plugs for fitting. This is small, large, and the mediums are already fitted. So today, just move this back like that. So now I'm going to show you headphones. Wow. Okay, green light turned on. I don't know what is that, but here's the one of the here, and they made the stem transparent so you can see how it's made. Here's the logo of them, and here's this, and they gave you some little dots to identify, to put it in the charging case, and also which is left and right. So the stem, it's actually transparent, so you can see the internals of it. And here's red dot, there's a dot, a white dot here and red dot here to identify which is left and right, and where this board should go in the case. So, the case has some little dots too, like the ear plug. You can see that
the connect and Sonic.
so it has some, there's a little space here to hold the earphones in the place. So so I'm going to pair to the mobile phone and test it. It has Bluetooth connected, and it has microphone. I don't know where it is, but it should be right here. I don't know. But it has noise cancelling too. So to connect the earphones, into long press the white button right here next to the USB Type-C port, and the white light will going to blink, and then you can connect your earphones. Then it will sometimes show up in your phone as like an. So now I'm going to long press the white button on the earphone case, and it will blink a white light. Then you need to install the application for it, or can manually do it by going to Bluetooth and click pair a new device. So now you say nothing here one, and you need to click that, and if it will ask for it, you can click OK or not, and it should connect, and that's it. Now okay, it's showed. Then you can go to the application that you installed now. So now we can see that nothing here. One is right here. So the right. So it says the right earphone needs some charging because it's at low, and the C means the case, which is 100%. So there's lots of options in the app, and you can say how much bass you want, etc. Extra. You can see find my earbuds. So it will bring your earbuds. So that's it. You can install the firmware updates, edit the device name, and you can change the option if you want to pause or play when you put your earbuds on your ear, or if you take it out. So it's simple. Then you can firmware update, and you can see what is the gesture controls. So triple tap to next song, the tap hold noise cancellation, triple tap next song. Both of these do the same thing, but if you want to pause it, just take it out of your ear, and it will going to be pausing everything. So that's it. So you can see the chart, and I'm going to show you, and you can sign into your Google account, or sometimes if you have an Android One device, should come up with the app. So for me, it just came up with the pop-up, then I just can connect it. So that's it, really simple. And thank you guys for watching this video, and happy Children's Day, because I published these videos on Children's Day. If you don't know about it, and well, I think I just told you. So thank you guys for watching. Click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. No people subscribes to my channel, even my father's channel, which is right here. The icon, I think there, and his channel is actually 41 subscribers. So that's really great, and but it's not really great for me because I make better videos than him, because he doesn't publish that much, but he keeps growing. And also to support me or him, also subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.